Hey guys. So, um, I am a back-end Web3 developer. That's what I do, and that's what I show you. And it all looks strange, I know. Okay, please just relax. It's gonna be okay. All right, it's gonna be okay because we're building the. See, the front end is not as important as the back end, in my opinion. And we can have many different front ends, and that's what I'm working on now, using all sorts of stuff, games, you name it, right? But this is my home base, is sort of JavaScript, and but it's JavaScript that can run on your computer, right? Now there are super tools out there, right? Like Node.js, or there's one called Deno I was looking at. There's a new one called Bun, B-U-N. And these run JavaScript on a server. So I would argue that if you want to do that, your computer still needs to be that server. That's how you get to Web3. You cut out the other people. And it's easiest to understand in this very simple format, okay? But again, just relax. It's going to be okay. I know how to make a front end, trust me. All right. So this right here is me making fun of my elected politicians and Donald Trump and whatnot. And I was going to post this on Facebook, but then I thought, well, wait a minute. I'm going to take this and dump it into my little universe. And that's what I did here. And I had to actually use my phone to go visit the site on my phone and cut and paste the text from where I typed it into the phone into this, that you see it now. Right? So that's what I'm working on, and I'm going to make it all pretty and then etch it into Web3 and show that to you, right? I'll do that at some point. But then I started working on this camera thing, and that's why you see my happy little face over here, is because I have this program called Camera, and I'm working on it. This is today, by the way. 15.3 is today. And the fact that it's camera.html is not quite right. I need to bring it out of that format. And I had pulled this little tool down a long time ago and put it in another Web3 thing, which is Pinata. Pinata, I had it pinned. See, there it is. It's called JavaScript Camera. See, and that's its address. And look, we're going to go right to its address. There, look, it's an old picture of me. So if I turn this camera back on, get ready, guys. See, now there's two of me. So how many fingers do I have up? Anyway, and so this has handy features like you can take a little um, picture. You can switch to different cameras, all sorts of stuff like that. But it is on, see, it's hosted on this Web3 site. And so I pulled it down and I'm working with it in my directory, and I'm going to put it into my all-encompassing solution, which is what I was showing you a minute ago, right? This sort of thing here. And I have all sorts of other pieces involved, and that's that's it. That's what I'm working on. That's my process, and the goal is we can get rid of unnecessary software. We can get rid of the middlemen, and I quite enjoy living in a really simple, organic way and working on the projects that make sense. Okay, 10 times out of 10, in my experience, for because of greed and ignorance. Generally, you're not allowed to work on projects that make sense. You're just forced to do things in a stupid way. But then you win the right to support that stupid thing forever, right? They'll give you a paycheck, but it's very hard to build things correctly because the middlemen don't see how they're going to make a profit. That's what I'm showing you now, middlemen. I'm showing you how to make a profit in this new world. Hey guys, as we say here in Texas, you guys have a blessed day, all right?